Good morning. Today we're going to talk about addition of matrices and subtraction of them. We'll talk about the scalar multiplication tomorrow. So this sheet is in Schoology. They have a lot of vocabulary up here, but we're going to just pick a couple problems off of here and I'm going to show you how easy this really is. So the first one is down at the bottom. We need to figure out how they got from this problem to this answer. So the first thing we need to discuss is matrix order. And order is row times column. They need to have the same order in order to add or subtract them. So for instance, 2 by 3. So it has 2 rows, 3 columns. So 2 by 3. This one here is also a 2 by 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. They call that its order. So if they have the same order, I can go ahead and put them together. And you can see here, they're giving you a hint, add the elements in corresponding positions. So top left 2 plus top left 5 is top left 7. Okay, next one over here, top middle 4 plus this top middle negative 3. 4 plus negative 3 should be 1, and you put that in the top in the middle. 7, top right, plus 8, top right, 15, top right. Bottom now, so now we're on the bottom left. Negative 1 plus the 6 should be 5. 5 plus negative 4 should be 1, and negative 2 plus negative 6 should be negative 8. So that's how they're getting those. Let's try some. So doing number 1 on the back. Putting our like spots together. So we'll use a different color here. So if I do top left, 5 plus 4 is 9. Oops, don't want the plus there. Went right over. 9. Top right, so negative 1 plus negative 3 is negative 4. Bottom left, 3 plus bottom right, bottom left. So bottom left on that one, bottom left on that one. So 3 plus negative 6 is negative 3. Finally, the last one here, bottom right. So negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. That's my answer. So that big looking thing is my answer. A matrix is useful for things like recording scores on players. So maybe this is a golf game, right? Because in golf you can have negative scores. So 4 players right here, maybe this is hole number 1. Here's the 4 players again, hole number 2, whatever. So like a sheet or a grid of scores for various things. And we want to add them all together. Let's do another one. Number 2. On the back side, that's where I'm at. So 6, 1, 3. Plus negative 4, negative 5, and 4. Okay, just to review the order. So the order on this one is rows first. So it has 1, 2, 3, 3 rows by 1 column. So the order on this is a 3 by 1. Same over here. The order is a 3 by 1. So that means my answer should be a 3 by 1. And I can only add them if they have the same order. So top here is 6. Plus top here is negative 4, results in 2. 1 there plus negative 5 is negative 4. And 3 plus the 4 down here is 7. Easy, easy, easy stuff. All right, the next one I want to do is number 7. So 0, 4, 3, negative 3. Minus 4, 3, 6, negative 1. Be very careful when you're subtracting. You want to make sure that you're watching your signs. That's going to be the biggest trouble with these. So let's go very slowly and take your time. 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 rows, 2 columns. So it works. So 0 minus 4. Top left here top left here, watch that minus. 0 minus 4, I'm just going to write on the side for those that like it visually, is a negative 4. Now I'm going to do top right, 4 minus 6, negative 2, top right. Bottom left, 3 minus 3, 0. And finally, this last one here, we'll put a square around it. Negative 3 minus negative 1. So watch that. There you got double negatives going on. So this is turning out to be negative 3 plus 1, which is a negative 2. That is how you add and subtract matrices.